Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
A business name can be a huge factor in the ultimate success or failure of the entity. Unfortunately, many people fail to give a lot of thought to it prior to moving forward. There are many factors to consider, including something memorable, a name related to your area of work, and potentially the availability of the domain name. Married? Picking a business name is like getting married. You are going to have to stick with it till the very bitter end. It is estimated a prospect will need to see your advertisement and business name at least 22 times prior to doing business with you. 22 times. Once they associate your business with a certain name, making a change will be disastrous. So once you pick something, you must stick with it. Naming your business. If you are going to be married to your business name, you need to make sure that the bride isn't already married to another suitor. There are 4 significant issues to consider. Initially, you must determine whether the name is already being used in your state. The Secretary of State controls the names of all corporations, LLCs, and partnerships. Most have a website where you can conduct name searches. Even if you are a sole proprietor, like most of us are if you have a home-based business, you should check the name against those who are already registered in the state database. If the name is being used, you will need to consider an alternative. So, assuming the name passed must be with the Secretary of State, you should check it against existing trademarks files with the Patent and Trademark Office, or called the PTO. The PTO maintains an online database. As with the Secretary of State, you can conduct an online search to make sure that no other businesses are using it. In this day and age, many business corporations, they incorporate a website as part of their business model. If you're in this boat, you need to check to see if the business name is available as a domain. If it is, you should register it immediately. If not, you can Either change your business name again or focus on a domain name incorporating your service or product instead of the business name. Now, with regards to my own company, we didn't have a problem with it because it's basically two persons' initials plus a last name. So we didn't have any issues with that. However, if it's like something branded around tennis shoes, for instance, you need to make sure that you're not using Nike or Adidas or Puma, etc. So your business must be uh, devastated, or it could be devastated if you do not take these precautionary steps. So you need to make sure that no other company out there is using the name you want to use. Basically, it comes down to that. Imagine the negative impact on your business if the name has to be changed 3 years down the line because you didn't take these initial steps. Yeah, take a deep breath before you select a business name. Like a spouse, it can be either a good or a bad choice. So I hope you got some great information on how to choose a business name and do it legally instead of just going haphazard and then have to change the name way down the road, and the disasters that it can bring. So if you did get some value out of this, please like, share, comment down below, and make sure that you subscribe to to this channel, and make it a great day. And we'll see you in the next video. So go make some money right now. See ya.